I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Cream cheese wontons, Shahed 007. Calories per portion 228 kilocalories. Total preparation time 30 minutes. Wontons are a delicious snack all on their own. But this recipe shows you how to make cheese-filled wontons. You can of course pick other fillings if you so wish, but this healthy alternative will be just what you need if you want Chinese food that will sate your desire to snack. My ultra-crispy cream cheese wontons are stuffed with the most delicious filling and are so easy to make. These cream cheese rangoons taste like they came from a restaurant. I can't resist ordering cream cheese wontons when I go out to eat. Now I can make them in the comfort of my own home. I have to say, I think my version is better than the restaurant version. There's just something about stuffed wontons, that crispy exterior and hot melty interior. I can't get enough of them. I used to spend $8 every time I went to a restaurant for an order of cream cheese wontons, but now I make them at home for a fraction of the cost. You won't believe how easy these cream cheese Bangladeshi are to make. How to make cream cheese wontons. To make cream cheese wontons, you'll need just a handful of ingredients, including cream cheese, seasonings, wontons and oil. You can find packages of wonton wrappers in the product area of most grocery stores. The cream cheese is mixed with seasonings and then spooned into the wonton wrappers and folded up. I use egg to seal up my wontons. There are many different ways to fold wontons, and I tried 3 different ways before I settled on this technique. I went the easy route and simply brought opposite corners up to the middle and pinched them shut to create little packages of cream cheese goodness. Finally, it's time to fry the wontons. These fry up quickly, so be sure to watch them carefully and turn them over as needed to make sure they're evenly cooked. Serve them hot, with the dipping sauce of your choice. I recommend either Thai sweet chili sauce, or sweet and sour sauce. These cream cheese wontons are the perfect party snack, or starter for an Asian meal. They're great for game day, or just for when you have a hankering for this restaurant classic. Cream cheese wontons. My ultra-crispy cream cheese wontons are stuffed with the most delicious filling and are so easy to make. These cream cheese rangoons taste like they came from a restaurant. Course appetizer. Cuisine Asian. Prep time 20 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Total time 30 minutes. Serving 6. Calories 228 kilocalories. Ingredients: 24 wonton wrappers, 8 ounces cream cheese softened, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1 egg beaten, oil for frying, 2 teaspoons minced chives optional. Instructions: 1. Combine the cream cheese, sugar and onion powder. Stir until well mixed. 2. Place a wonton wrapper on a flat surface and drop a teaspoon of the cream cheese mixture into the center. Brush the edges of the wonton with the egg. 3. Bring 2 opposite corners together in the middle of the wonton and pinch. Repeat with the other 2 corners and pinch to form a package shape. 4. Repeat with the remaining wontons and cream cheese until all are filled. 5. Heat 4 inches of oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees F. Over heat. 6. Fry 5-6 wontons at a time, turning them as needed to make sure they brown evenly. This process should take about 3-5 minutes. 7. Drain the cooked wontons on paper towels and repeat the frying process with remaining wontons. 8. Sprinkle with chives and serve immediately with dipping sauce of choice. Notes: 1. You can fold the wontons however you like. 2. Be sure to use a frying thermometer to make sure your oil is at the correct temperature. If it's too hot, the edges of the wontons could burn. 3. I serve my cream cheese wontons with the side of sweet and sour sauce or Thai sweet chili sauce. Nutrition. Calories, 228 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 19 grams. Protein, 6 grams. Fat, 14 grams. Saturated fat, 7 grams. Cholesterol, 71 milligrams. Sodium, 303 milligrams. Potassium, 86 milligrams. Sugar, 1 gram. Vitamin A, 545 mg. Calcium, 55 milligrams. Iron, 1.3 milligrams. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name, Khaled Zubair.